Hi humans, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make some vegan corn pie muffins. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, let's see what we need. We need coconut powder, nutritional yeast. This gives the corn pie a very cheesy flavor and it's also good for you, so it's good to add. We need cornmeal, definitely the base of the corn pie. That's the glue, that's what holds it together. Cream style corn. I also add a tin of regular corn, whole grain corn, some sweet peppers that clearly need washing, some pimento peppers that I love, chief or pepper seasoning or any seasoning that you like to use, some sweet mustard. This brings out the cheesy flavor in the corn pie, some paprika, another. Let's wash our peppers. These peppers were really dirty, so I just used some dish soap to get all of the dirt. There was literally dust on the peppers, and also take off the stems of the pimento peppers, as those are easier to come off. The stem and the core of the sweet peppers came off while chopping them. So I'm just chopping the pimento peppers in half cross sectionally and then cutting small pieces going down. I think it's the easiest way to cut them. You get a nice small piece of pepper and it's a bit more uniformed. I'm just cutting the sweet pepper in half, taking out that core and then cutting up long slices and then cutting those in shorter pieces. You'll see me putting stuff at the side. There were pieces of the pepper that looked brown, so I just cut them off because obviously you don't want to put that in your corn pie. You want nice fresh peppers. So that's what I'm doing here. And I did not cut up all the peppers you saw me washing. I probably cut up about 10 pimento peppers in total and about 4 sweet peppers. And yes, we just put them in that little bowl because we know you're gonna fry them. So now we're preparing our coconut milk cheesy mixture. I could not find scissors to save my life, so I used a knife, and both packs of coconut milk, as you will see, ripped really strangely as I was pouring it into the measuring cup. This was 4 cups of water. I will have the ingredients down below now, guys. You may see that I didn't follow the ingredients exactly as what I may have down below. I make this very often so I can eyeball everything. I'm adding nutritional yeast right now. That's definitely our vegan cheese. And now I'm adding paprika on top of that. Again, you just pour until the ancestors tell you to stop. That's what I usually do. And I'm also putting in some all-purpose seasoning. The goal is to make a cheesy coconutty sauce that is a little bit salty. When you taste it, you want to ensure it's a little bit salty. So now I'm using our Dutch oven, which everyone in Trinidad calls an iron pot. I recently learned it's a Dutch oven. I let that heat up for a while, and then once it's heated, I add oil, and now I'm adding our pimento pepper and sweet pepper mixture and letting that. You can see the steam coming off. I love hearing peppers get charred. It's really nice. I don't know, something about it really just warms my soul, hearing peppers being cooked on the stove. So it's letting that char a bit, and then we're adding that coconut nutritional yeast mixture. I'm adding the cream style corn, whole grain corn. I added that because I found it wasn't looking corny enough and I like my corn pie to be a bit more chunky with its ingredients. And now we're adding the mustard, which I should have added in the mixture before, but I think I forgot. And the mustard really brings out that cheesy flavor, so we definitely need to add the mustard because it's really important. So now I'm just mixing and bringing that to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we taste it. If it is that it's not a little bit salty, we need to add some more because the cornmeal will suck up every inch of salt in that mixture, and then you don't really want to have to add too much ingredients after you add the cornmeal, because it's going to be a thick mixture and it's going to be a bit harder to mix. So I try to get what I need added before I do that. I also add nutritional yeast and a little bit more of the mustard because I felt the sauce wasn't cheesy enough. So now I am mixing that, just letting all those ingredients blend well together. And now it's coming to a boil. I'm tasting again. And guys, when you put the spoon in the pot, I put the sauce in my hand and taste it, okay? I don't put the spoon in my mouth because other people have to eat from this too, and I'm not trying to add germs to our cheesy mixture. So now I'm using a whisk and I'm just adding the cornmeal in small increments to the pot. I love using a whisk because it helps mix the cornmeal a lot better than a spoon or even the wooden spatula that I was using before. So you're looking for a moist, thick mixture, and the test is that your whisk should be able to stand for like a second in the mixture. You don't want it to stand for too long. It should be able to stand and slightly lean after. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just testing it. Once it can stand for a little bit and then start to lean, we know that we're great. So now we're going to bake the muffins. Don't judge my very loved silicone trays. These trays are amazing because you don't have to use any oil in them. And when the muffins are done baked, you could just literally pop them out. I love these. I make everything in them, and that's why they're so dirty. That's actually from chocolate. I usually make like a oat chocolate muffin. I'll put that on my list. Maybe I'll make that next time. So we're just adding the cornmeal, the corn pie mixture to the silicone trays. I'm just trying to give it a nice muffin shape on top. And your girl was very lazy this day, so I usually, when I'm lazy, use the toaster oven instead of the actual oven. I don't know, I think somehow not having to light it and just turn a button just makes it feel like I'm doing less work. So I fill up the trays and put them in the toaster oven. It's actually on the air fry option on 350 degrees, and I just tune it to 60 minutes, but it actually takes 25 to cook. And these are our corn pie muffins. Juicy, delicious, and no animals died. Absolutely delicious, tasty, has sufficient salt, it's cheesy. Please try it out. I'm sure you'll like it. These can be a great alternative for if you want to eat corn pie but have it be less calories, or if you're staying away from dairy, if it is you just really want to try vegan options. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Have a great day. Remember, being you is simple. Bye guys.